जहाँ बग्छ टिस्टा रङ्गीत, जहाँ कञ्चनजङ्घा शीर। जहाँ बग्छ टिस्टा रङ्गीत, जहाँ कञ्चनजङ्घा शीर, यही हो हाम्रो धनको देश, तपोवन हो प्यारो सिक्किम। Respected speaker, dignitaries, honorable guests and my fellow citizens of India. Today I speak here from this platform with immense pride as Ikla Subba representing the Himalayan state of Sikkim, which proudly celebrates its 50th statehood year this year. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in a man. This profound thought by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji beautifully captures his essence of his life dedicated to awakening minds, strengthening character, and building the moral foundation of a nation. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, fondly remembered as Mahamana, was not just a freedom fighter. He was a visionary educationist, an exceptional statesman, and a true nation builder. Born on 25th December 1861 in Prayagraj, he believed that political freedom would be incomplete without intellectual and moral empowerment. At a time when India was shackled by colonial rule, Malviya ji dared to dream of an India educated by Indians for the Indians. His greatest legacy, Banaras Hindu University, stands as a living vision for his symbol. BHU was not just merely an institution, it was a movement that blended modern education with India's civilizational values, proving that progress and tradition can walk hand in hand. Malviya ji believed that education must not only shape careers but also conscience. A strong advocate of national unity, he worked tirelessly for social reforms, freedom of the press, and upliftment of the marginalized. As a leader of the Indian National Congress and a mentor to the many freedom fighters, his politics was rooted in ethics, dialogue, and dignity. His life reminds us that leadership is not about power, but about purpose. Sikkim's journey as the 22nd state of India reflects the very ideals of Malviya ji stood for: unity in diversity, peace, full integration, and progress through education and values. As a youth of India, inspired by the ideals of great leaders like Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji, I believe that education remains our strongest tool to shape a confident, compassionate, and capable India. On this occasion, remembering Malviya ji and Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, I stand here as the voice of today's youth, grateful for the legacy we inherit and determined to carry it forward in integrity, responsibility, and vision. Mahamana Malviya ji showed us that true patriotism begins in the classroom and blossoms in character. May we all strive to live by his ideals. At the end, I would like to request to kindly say with me, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind, Jai Sikkim, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।